Hello guys, it's Paul here. ITFT Computers, IT for Tomorrow. We had a question about the sleep mode in Windows. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the sleep mode on your Windows machine. So you have to go to search and type in sleep. Hit enter. And now you'll be able to see the screen options and the sleep mode. So if you go into sleep, scroll down and press never. That's it. Now it says never for sleep, and your machine will never sleep. And also in here above you can change your screen options. This is the screensaver when your screen will switch off. So you can set it to, for example, 5 minutes. Thank you.